Hello, I'm Kay, and I'm gonna be reacting to Lord Inheritor disturbs Mr. Noisy and he wheezes.
Okay, I am going to the Dillydale Museum to see why I'm doing
Okay.
it. Alright, I'm in the Dillydale Museum. Let's see what I'm doing. What? How did you get in here? What? You're saying? This is a restricted area, you know. Now, leave this Dillydale Museum or I'm going to punch you. Mom! No, not Lord Inheritor. He keeps getting me every time. Yeah, that's what I thought. Ma!
I think Garnixel should make the next video, and I hope he'll laugh in the end. It's gonna be so funny. And Mr. Noisy, why did you stand? Why are you close to the camera? You can't see us.